bless you, Dr. People. It is a joy and blessing when man and spirit join together in search of the greater truths and awareness. Might I offer encouragement, my dear friend, as you strive to understand your right to receive and to give love and abundance in this your current and your chosen lifetime. For indeed you have chosen this lifetime as a delightful opportunity to rediscover your oneness with all life everywhere. You are here, my friend, as a spirit among spirits, a community of one upon the planet Earth, seeking as a student to understand the nature of relationships between your heart of hearts and the love of all life around you everywhere. Your journey to the heart includes the struggle, the pain, and the breakthrough to identify your own illusions of separation, to diminish and dissolve the very shame, until you are able to surrender into your natural state of familiarity, of nativity, of intimacy, intercourse with all the points of view, all personality, everywhere in the universe, as your own self. Yourself part of all life everywhere. We offer to you the following principles. Number 1, loving allowance for all things to be in their own time and place. Number 2, increased communication with respect for all life everywhere. Number 3, self-responsibility for your own reality, your perception of it, for it is only a creative act. How you choose to look upon your environs. Self-responsibility as well for your own emotional reactions, for it is only and always a creative act. How you choose to look upon your environment. Your experience, yourself, your own feeling body. It is yourself choosing to feel happy, to feel gay, to feel cheerful, to feel angry, to feel sad. Never the victim of life around you, always the creator, the divine center of the universe. You gain nothing from illusions of victimhood or separation. You gain eternity from seeing yourself, the center of creativity, the one with all life. God bless you.